Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing very good. We are also very good. So here we are today again with a new vlog. And today we came out to the market area because I have been bored inside the house. We had so many things in our checklist. So now we are heading towards the malls. The town area is getting lit for Diwali. Everywhere there are lights and decorations. And these lights will continue till New Year because ours is a Christian state. I love my city. My state is well known as the land of festivals, and we are the perfect example of secularism because we get to enjoy all the festivals of every religion. So now we have arrived at Vishal, and Vishal has geared up with amazing Diwali offers and products. And they have also brought out their winter collections.
কোনটা ভালো লাগছে নিয়ে নাও।
Gia wanted to buy this Buddha aroma diffuser, but she did not know what it really is. So I was explaining to her.
এখানে জল দেব ঠিক আছে
তোমার লাগবে নাকি জিয়া ওটা? না তো সবই লাগে তোমার।
When mom was making the bill, I was searching for Jia and then I saw her. She was busy at the cash counter. Luckily, nobody scolded her. Since I was sick for 3-4 days, so mom could not go out for shopping, and we needed so many items for our house. We needed so many groceries and other things, and the most important thing was we did not have even a spoonful of sugar in the house. We had honey, we had jaggery, but no sugar. And it's Diwali, and it's a season of making mithais and eating mithais, and we did not even have a spoonful of sugar even for a cup of tea. So first we went to our favorite grocery destination, that is Vishal, because all our groceries come from Vishal. So when we went to Vishal, we had a big surprise waiting for us. They were giving away 4 kgs of sugar free with this 1 kg of full bloom tea. And this full bloom tea is very good. We always use it because it gives a very raw Assam tea flavor. I don't drink tea, but mom says that it's very good. Then we needed some bathroom floor cleaners, so we bought this. We got this in buy one get one free. Next, we bought a small jar of coffee because you guys know, since it's winter and a hot cup of coffee under blanket and cookies and your favorite movie, it's heaven on earth. And this time we bought a small jar because we already have big jars and it's from the company Full Bloom. We bought the small jar because if we bring big jars, then the coffee becomes solid in no time. So we thought of trying this small jar. Then we bought one pouch of refined oil because yesterday accidentally Pooja auntie broke our glass oil dispenser and 1 liter of oil went to the floor. And when mom was cleaning it, she cut her hand so bad that it was paining whole day. So since we did not have refined oil in our pantry, so we bought one. We always use Fortune refined oil, but this time we thought of using this First Crop refined oil because everyone was buying this one, and since it's Vishal's own brand, so we thought of trying it. Next, we bought a chunni, that is a tea strainer, because our old strainer has recently developed a hole in the middle and all of the tea went into the cup. So we decided to buy this. The MRP is 40 rupees, but their offer price is 20, so we got it in 20 rupees. We checked out so many other items in Vishal that we will buy during Dhanteras, and maybe we'll need to pay 2 to 3 visits more to Vishal in between Dhanteras because the products that come in Vishal are so good, their quality is so good and the prices are also too good. But the products vanish in no time. Like last time we saw a very beautiful pudding set. A whole rack was filled with those pudding sets, but this time when we went to buy it, not a single piece was left. So this time I don't want to take a risk, so I will try to buy all the things that we checked today. And lastly, we bought 2 more trays. These are a heavy quality, but the design is same because I'm using these trays as an organizer in our kitchen cupboard. I'm organizing our kitchen cupboard as Diwali cleaning. I'm going to keep all the glasswares and glass bowls and tumblers in this, so that the cupboard looks organized. And thanks to all of you who have shown so much of concern and love towards me when I was sick, and maybe because of your wishes I had a very speedy recovery. So thank you. So this was all about our today's vlog, and you cannot see Jia around because she has gone to play with Divya. And lastly, if you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Bella ciao!